Yo, hello guys, welcome to Forex Success. Okay, if you're new to this channel, guys, make sure you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I drop a new video. So, guys, this is the strategy that I dropped yesterday. It's a new strategy, and the strategy is doing wonders, guys. So make sure you are taking advantage of it, using it to trade and make money for yourself. Okay, if you check, guys, these are trades that I've been holding, and all the trades were gotten using this same strategy. So if you are trying to miss out with the strategy, then you don't know what you're missing. Just take on your demo account and do some practice with the strategy, and then when you find a better way or a better approach with the strategy, then you put it on your real account and make some good cash for yourself. Okay, let's check out this trade I'm holding on Crash 1000. Let me just show you what price action is in a very simple term. This is Crash 1000 index, and if you watch the previous video, which I actually shared the parameters of this strategy, you see this trade where I told you I took a buy on Crash 1000 index, considering the fact that this is giving me a double bottom right here, which indicates a reversal. So I took on a buy right here. Then spotting this is a resistant level right here, and spotting the reversal, that is the retracement of this Crash 1000, I decided to take my profit off the market. Look at it right here. This is the Crash 1000 index. You can see I closed it out on a $21 profit, but then it gave me some retracement, which when I spot it again from the lower time frame, that is the 1 hour time frame, I spot this candlestick pattern, which indicates a reversal. That is the end of this move, bearish move. So I decided to place a buy again, putting a stop loss at the bottom, considering the fact that my moving average and MACD is still pointing on a bullish move, that is the up direction. So I'm still trading according to the direction of the higher time frame. You get that, guys? So that's how you can trade without losing your funds. You just make sure you trade in the direction of the higher time frame. That is, when you take your analysis from something like the 4-hour, the daily time frame, if it's pointing up, you just have to make sure. So guys, you just have to make sure you trade in the direction of the market. Yeah, that is, since it's pointing up, you just trade in that direction. So whichever positions, you just look for retracement, whereby you use as your entry to and get your positions right there. So guys, I'll show you the parameters for this strategy so you can start using it in case you don't know the parameters. It's just 3 indicators we need right here for this strategy. Just 3 indicators we need right here for this strategy, guys. The first is the moving average, which you set it on period 20, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, the start 3 pixel. Okay, then you click done. You set the color on blue, guys. Then the next indicator is another moving average. Make sure everything is on your main chart. The next indicator, period 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, then start 3 pixel and make the color red. Then you click done. Last indicator is the MACD. Fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA is 9, apply to close. Then the main is 1 pixel, signal 2 pixel. For the main, guys, you'll be using blue, and the signal you can use red as the color. That is just the indicators that you need for the strategy. So you'll be able to get your screen to look like mine. Yeah, so when you see the blue moving average crossing above the red moving average, you just go down to the MACD and check out for the MACD going below the 0 level. Then you go in for a sell. It indicates a sell. So this is a nice point to go in for a sell. And then this is a signal for a buy, which I'm currently on now on Crash 1000. This strategy works for all synthetic indices, ranging from step index, volatilities, and crash and booms. It works on them all. Yeah, so just take advantage of these, guys, and start using it. So all you need to add to this strategy is your price action, spot at your support and resistance level. I taught you guys how to to get your support and resistance level and draw your trend lines, so that you know levels where price might react to, so that you just know how to do your take profit and your stop loss exactly. Though I'll be doing a better video explaining how you can do that better. So guys, this is it. You can see the trade I'm on right now with this same strategy. You can see it's working, and even on the 1 hour time frame, giving me the same prediction. So I just had to secure some profit from this retracement and enter again. So that is like a bonus for me. So you can as well do that if you understand how it works. So guys, on the comment section, I saw some comments which said like the strategy is only going to work for people with high amounts in their account. Okay, that's actually not very correct, because we have different indices like the volatility 10 index, the volatility 10 index, and the volatility 75 1x, as well as the volatility 10 1x. You don't actually need enough money, like as little as $10, $20. It's enough for you to trade those pairs, like really well. It's enough for you to trade those index. But if you want to trade stuff like $75 with a $20 account, that's like almost blowing your account yourself. It's almost not possible, because any little retracement can wipe up your account. Same goes for step index. So these are big pairs, big indices. So you need something huge, like you need a better account to be able to trade those pairs comfortably. So that's just basically what you guys need to understand right now on how you can trade synthetic indices. So guys, and also you can also sum up strategies like having to set your screen on a separate way, like when you click on this, duplicate your screen, adding a new window. So you can see we have for crash 1000 index, we have right here on step index. So I can decide to also make this step index. You see, so both of them right now are on step index. So you can set your indicators in this. So another strategy, that is let's say our previous strategy, you can also set it on this other chart, so that you can get more confirmations from this first one and more confirmations from the second one. But guys, just know that this strategy works perfectly on a trending market. You might not get the good results that you expect on a ranging market, but guys, if it's going to be a trending market, you're going to make huge money trading with this strategy, for real. So just keep it cool and keep on practicing. Yeah, so what we're trading synthetic indices. Click on the link at the description below to create an account so you can start trading with us, and join our Telegram group. We drop signals sometimes, so you can join our Telegram group and enjoy the benefits as well. So if you trade Forex as well, we'll have recommended brokers at the description for you to sign up and start trading. So thank you once again, guys, for watching. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That's very important, so you'll be notified when I drop a new video. Give this video a thumbs up. This is Forex Success. Thank you.